Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And another case of deja vu almost. Updates need to be done. Prices now put in higher highs and higher lows, and that's what you want to see. First thing, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant. I don't want to have clutter and confusion all over the place. So let's try to make this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here around 237, newest area of support, what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above the 237 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below there, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Whereas taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 237 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, nothing too fancy here other than just kind of asking where did the party finally stop. So red for resistance. And that first initial level to watch is, like I said, just where the party stopped this afternoon, right there at $2.50. If the price can push up through $2.50, then as you're seeing here, it's been a real long time since the price has been up this high. There we go. Let's do a little bit more. There he goes. Then after $2.50, next key level to keep an eye on right up there at 260. So 250, 260, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. But all in all, just keep on chipping away with those higher highs and higher lows. And that's the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.